Number one, I think nobody can get away from the fact South Africa has a major crime problem. However you slice and dice it, it is unacceptable for the level of criminality and aggressive murdering. That is absolutely unacceptable. And I think this was shown up by the fact that everybody, every single speaker noted it as a problem. Hopefully there's some kind of wake-up call in there. Secondly, I hope that Mr. President Trump realizes it's a crime problem. That's our problem, and we need to solve the crime problem. Yes, it's unfortunate that there's segments of society that's hit harder than others, which is sad. It shouldn't happen. It always has massive consequences, but it's an overall crime problem that we need to address. And the third one is, I also hope that some of the elements within the governing party realizes that people like Johan Rupert, John Steenhuisen, Ernie Els, Retief Goosen, they're all batting for South Africa. When the chips are down, they're all South Africans batting for South Africa.